Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the messages, for example. Just open the keyboard and now we can tap on the settings. Now let's enter languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and as you can see here we've got plenty of options to choose from. This list of the languages which we can apply is so wide. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick let's say a graphical language in order to show you the actual changes. So let me pick Arabic, tap on the region you would like to use and tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, so we can go back to the camera and check. And here we've got actually two differences. The first of all, the space bar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on it I can switch to the Arabic one easily and tap on it again. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need two different languages added. So simply get to the settings, tap on languages and tap on this edit icon. Now you can mark the language you would like to remove, and in my case it will be Arabic, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we are left with English right now, so it looks like it was just at the very beginning of this video. So let's get back, and as you can see the keyboard looks actually the same as it was looking before. So the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we can only type in one language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.